Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, me Hernandez. Now today, what we're going to be cleaning are some 2016 Jordan 1 lows, the all black. Let's go ahead and take a look to see what I'm talking about. So as you see here, we got the 2016 Jordan 1 lows, all black, and they are busted, and this paint that they have on them, this finish, really shiny. Taking a look at the medial side of the shoe, we can see how bad the shoe is creased. Right here, little paint mark that we're gonna get off. Taking a look at the back, it's not a bad shoe, to be honest with you. I really like this shoe. I wore it a lot, but I am gonna switch it up just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and take another look at the front. We see here, it's kind of shiny, but we see that we have some white scuffs, and honestly, I'm not even sure how I got that on there. Taking a look at the bottom, we got a bunch of gunk in here that we're gonna go ahead and get off. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the cleaning. Here we go. Like I mentioned, I went ahead and taped the shoe off on camera. But first, what we're going to do is take the creases out. Now, I already have a pre-moistened rag which we're going to use, and we're going to go ahead and stuff that all the way into the shoe. Now, you always want to use a moist rag. You know, take the shoe tree out if you're using a shoe tree. All right, so I just stuffed in another towel because this one's kind of small, but we went ahead and got the toe box stuffed. Now, I have a Microsoft towel here, which what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put the microfiber, dang, I can't say it. We're just going to go ahead and lay this on top of the shoe. And I do have this little iron here that I picked up from Michael's some years back, and it works good. So now pretty much what you want to do is, in essence, you're just ironing out the creases. Now you don't want the iron to sit on here too much, but that's what you pretty much just want to do. Right here I'm just checking the shoe. Use a little more. Kind of just ironing it out. My memory card ran out of memory. Had to switch it out real quick. But like I was saying, you can use a household iron. I mean, but honestly, I haven't ironed clothes in so long that I have no idea where it is. So we're just gonna hit this up a couple more times, and I think my battery gonna die too. Ain't that about a bitch? All right, there you go. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and take this out. Take the rag out of the shoe. We're gonna go ahead and put the shoe tree back into the shoe. So now what we're gonna start on is we're gonna go ahead and hit the shoe up with some acetone or nail polish remover, whatever you have. And we're just gonna hit the shoe up just to kind of get that top coat off. That top coat and the scuff marks right here, but we're not gonna, it's not a make or break the shoe. I'm just trying to get this done. Now on this side you can see, let me move this out the way because I'll probably spill it. So let's go ahead and just knock this out. The swoosh is what we're going to be painting, so we're going to concentrate a little bit on this here. I don't customize shoes or anything like that. You know, I'm not good at it. You know what I mean? So this is just kind of like, I got bored of the shoe. I don't like that shininess that it has to it, that little shiny finish that it has. So decide to take that off. And while this dries up, we're gonna go ahead and swap out the battery because I'm on 1 bar and I'm not trying to have it cut off on me. Alright, so the acetone is pretty much dried up. It's a little tacky, and that's all good. That's what we want. So now what we're gonna use is we're gonna use Angelus's olive paint to hit the swoosh up. Alright, so just give that a quick shake. We don't need that much, so we'll just move the bottle to the side and we're just gonna work off what's in here. If you guys see me off camera, this is what I'm doing. It's pretty much just getting the paint. Like I said, I'm not a pro at this. I'm not a pro at painting, but the shoe was kind of boring. We're just gonna go ahead and hit this up. All right, so right now I'm just taking a look at the outside of the shoe, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. But lights kind of suck. I need to get some new lights, but it's looking fairly decent. The medial side, removing the tape. There we go. So this is what the shoe is looking like on the outside. I think it looks pretty damn dope. But let me go ahead and do the other side, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray some matte finish on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this outside because it's, I don't want that smell all up in here. So we went ahead and got that matte finish put onto the shoe. As you can see, it looks like a completely different shoe. But let's go ahead and get it laced up. All right, we're gonna throw in here kind of some like sail laces, and kind of just give it a different little vibe to a little pop. But we'll go ahead and speed through this. And there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the shoe. I did mess up a little bit, and you can tell kind of like right here. But like I said, I'm not a shoe customizer. You know, it is what it is. Taking a look at the toe box. Got majority of those creases taken out of the shoe. Taking a look at the medial side. Looks real good. Heel of the shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. That way the algorithm pushes my videos out to more people.